And yo, what's up guys? Ako'y nagbabalik. So, it's March and it's my birth month. And of course, matagal-tagal ko itong pinag-ipunan and this is my gift to myself. Amazon. Let's unbox. Matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin kasi gusto ko talaga to. For the memories. And of course, mag-unbox na muna tayo. Let's go! This is in-order ko sa Amazon. And here we go! Teka lang. Wala naman. Okay, thank you Amazon for keeping the box safe. Thank you. Here you go guys. Wow! Let's do the unboxing DJI Osmo Action 3. Woo! Finally! Let's see. Yan guys. Totoo yan guys. Let's see. Let's do the unboxing. And of course, para ma-unbox to, kailangan ko ng gunting. Gunting please. Thank you. Galing. Ang galing. Let's go! Unboxing, unboxing. Grabe. Talagang ilang buwan ko na pinaplanong bumili nito. Actually, may isang taon na yata. I think deserve ko naman to. Kasi magagamit ko to. Tsaka nagpapakahirap naman ako sa sinasahod ko. You know, sometimes kailangan i-treat natin yung sarili natin. Hindi pwedeng puro trabaho. And wow, parang nakakatakot buksan eh. Ano ba to? So here. So this is DJI Osmo Action 3. This is gift ko sa sarili ko kasi I think I deserve it naman. I've been working hard for myself, for the money, and for my family and for my wife. So sometimes kailangan i-treat ang sarili. So this is it. DJI Osmo Action 3. Google nyo na lang. Actually, my initial plan was to buy the DJI Osmo Pocket, the pocket na na camera, pero I think this one is much better for other purposes. Let's go. Unboxing na. Oh my god. Masisira ako yata to. Paano ba to? Ano to? Hey guys, nangangain ng tanga. Oh, ayun na. My God, paano to?
Ano? Kailan matulog? Nag-unbox ng malang?
Hindi ko alam paano buksan na. May kailangan pala dito. My God. Hindi ko na sirain yung yung box. Here you go. Yun, ganun pala yun. My God. There it is. Wow! This is it. So, first, baka mahulog. Ano ba ito? What do we have here? Ito yung ano nyo guys. So, ito muna. Yung packaging niya, DJI Osmo. Yan. Before buksan. In fairness, maganda yung packaging. Then may mga ano sa sides, yung mga prints. And then sa likod, ayun lang, yung details about it. And let's open this. So, may 3 piraso rito. Let's open. This is the ano to? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Oh, yeah. So, ito guys yung battery. 3 yung battery niya. So, unlimited, ano yan? Unlimited na video, guys. Yun. So, itong DJI Osmo Action 3. Ito na siya. Let's see. May isa pa rito na nakabox. Let's see what it is. Finally. Hala. Okay. So this is ito yung mount niya. Ito yung pinaka-covering niya, pinaka-casing ng camera. So it's my first time to have a action camera and gusto ko talaga to guys eh. Kasi alam niyo na, nagba-vlog tayo. Yung vlog na ano ko is para sa memories lang. So this is the casing for the memories. After few years, makikita ko sarili ko. Nakakatuwa, di ba? Dati sa pictures lang makikita, ngayon naka-video na ako. And this is the camera guys. Wow, very napakaliit. Ayan guys. Yan, kita nyo na. Yan. Huwag nyo na ako tingnan. Mag-focus kayo dyan. Wow! Wow! I'm so happy! Finally! May action camera na ako! DJI Osmo Action 3, baka naman! This is not sponsored, pero grabe guys, oh. So, ito yung harap niya. Ayan. Paano ba to? Masira ako eh. Okay. So, ito yung camera niya. Tapos may ano rito. What do you call this? Another screen. Para makita yung sarili, yung binibideo. And sa likod niya, yun din. Another screen din, which is I think touchscreen. Ito yung touchscreen. Then sa gilid, ito yung quick button. Yung quick button, ito yata yung pagka may sinetup ka, pinutin lang to. And of course, what else? Actually, hindi ko pa alam. So, yun lang guys. Ayan, sa taas, yung quick button din para sa mag-start ng video. And yan. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So, that's it. DJI Action Osmo 3 finally. Woo! Ready for the vlogging. So, I'll be using this from time to time na, of course. And then, very handy siya. At hindi ko na kailangan maglabas ng cellphone para mag-vlog. And, DJI Osmo Action 3, thank you! Thank you to myself. And, yun, for the hard work. I think I really deserve this. So, guys, ayun. Happy! Saya-saya! Woo!
Pakita mo din yung ano,
Ayan. Alin?
parts.
Yung parts. Hindi ko alam yung parts niya actually.
Yung mga selfie stick, di ba adventure yun?
Oh, okay. So, itong binili ko is, ano to? Osmo Action 3 for adventure. So, basically, magagamit to pagka, ayun, mga adventure na part. And, ano ba meron dito? Wala siyang selfie stick. May selfie po. May
Di ba yung
ano pa pala ito. Kala ko tapos na. So, ito guys. So, may selfie siya. Uy, kukonek yun dito. So guys, may selfie stick siyang kasama and then yung pang-mount sa camera, very easy. Yan, connected na siya agad. Then we're just gonna screw this thing. And then pwede na i-connect ito dito, itong camera. But before that, yan. So guys, ito yung casing ng camera. Lalagay na natin siya. Ano nga ba? Ganun. Oh, okay. Then yun, nag-stop na siya. So, protected na yung camera natin. And then, this stick can be connected here. So, yan guys. This camera, yung bottom part niya is magnetic. And then, this selfie stick, yung connected na ano na ito, is magnetic as well. So, let's connect. Whoops. Yun, nag-lock na. And, there you go. Ready na for the vlog. What's up? What's up? Let's see.
Pwede din sa kabila. Pataas.
So, wala pa. wala nga pala kasing battery. So, guys, that's it. And dito na muna magtatapos yung vlog. And just subscribe, click like and subscribe. And of course, starting from now, we're gonna use this DJI Osmo Action 3 finally. Thank you. And I'm so happy for myself. And I deserve this for my birthday. That's it. So, thank you guys. Woo, DJI Osmo Action 3. Bye-bye. Till next time. And yo, what's up guys? So, yun lang. Masaya lang ako kasi meron na akong DJI Osmo Action 3. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Thank you. So, ayun nga.
Magte-thank you ka sa akin. Welcome!
Siya po bumili niyan. Siya bumili niyan.
Wala akong
Yun
pera
lang.
dyan.
DJI Osmo Action 3. So, yon. May trivia ako. Hoy! Meron akong trivia.
Ano yun?
So, yon. Ang trivia ko for today is about vlog.
Diba?
Alam mo ba yung vlog? Alam niyo na lahat yun yung vlog na nanggaling yan sa video lag. So, we're lagging in the videos. Yan nga. And then, sa YouTube, alam mo ba kung sino ang may pinakamaraming most subscribed YouTuber in the whole wide world?
Sino yun?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Si Uncle Gary.
Uncle Gary, number 1 sa Balota.
Tumigil ka. Ayun, ang pinaka-most subscribed YouTuber is si Mr. Beast. Search nyo na lang sa YouTube. Sino si Mr. Beast? American YouTuber yan. May almost 115 million subscribers. Grabe. 115 million subscribers. Ako nga, walang 1,000 eh. Kaya mag-subscribe na kayo guys. Sige, bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye-bye, DJI. Thank you. Baka naman, DJI.
Abangan nyo yung mga videos namin gamit to.
Oh guys, so, yan. Mas mapogi at gwapo na kami. Pogi at maganda pala.
Hindi ko lang yun.
Pogi at maganda pala. Sige na. Bye-bye, DJI.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.